So I've got the replacement diff. She's all welded up and everything spins over fine. So now hopefully this thing will start, because I gotta pull it forward. It leaked its guts all over the place and I don't want to lay in that. So that's just spare housing I had laying around. That's not the actual diff. The diff's still in the car. So yeah, this will be fun. Fix the diff. Yeah, I gotta. I said, yeah, I gotta. Also, I've got to fix my fans. They don't shut off unless if I disconnect the battery, which is being a bitch. Yeah, at the last proving grounds, my fan switch decided to stop working, so I had to hardwire the fans to the battery. So they don't shut off unless if I disconnect the battery. So it's kind of like an anti-theft, but it's also really annoying. So I got a new switch, so I'll fix that today. I gotta get this diff out and assess the damage. Hopefully I don't have to take any parts from this car, but we'll see. So I'll drop this down. You can see it's already leaking. I didn't want to have to lay in this shit because it's gross, but it's inevitable. We're good. So I took the wheel off, and it's just one bolt that goes through here with a nut on the other side. So this gives it enough room to swing the axle out from the diff. So go do the same on the other side now. Got this rear section of the exhaust out. I should be able to move this out of the way if I take a hanger off. It's hot. Did I mention it's hot? Yeah, so get that out of the way. Start getting the big stuff out. Well, uh-oh. You know anything about working on a Miata? This just made my day a lot worse. So thank God I've got these shitty vice grips that don't really work. They're a little crooked. Yep. Yeah, so I got this one out. This one's being a cunt. So I'm gonna get this axle out of the way just so I can access the top part, because they've got these threaded insert things that grab into the PPF. You know, after so many times they don't really work that well, and this one's stripping. So I got spares. I'm gonna replace this one, but yeah, this one, she's being a bitch. So I'm gonna get this axle out of the way and we'll worry about that in a little bit, but we're getting there. So I've got the car in neutral. I'm manually turning the axle so I can get the other two. Ow, fucking, that hurt. Nuts off. So now these, I can access these. I can get my wrench on it, and I'm gonna have to go put the e-brake back up or put it in gear. But I've got the other two off. I don't know if you can see, there's one and the other one up top. So I gotta do these two now. Did I mention that it's hot? And yeah, this is not fun, especially by yourself. So we got the brake set now, and you should just crack loose. God. Ooh, tighten these. Definitely not me. Jesus. Okay. Doesn't fucking slip. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was just grabbing it with this. Now I can just yank this out. Pull this to the side. Man. Alright. Almost done. Actually, not even close, but yeah, they slide into those holes, those two little inserts. Alright, so I got both the axles out. PPF disconnected, exhaust is out of the way. All I got left is the two main bolts and the drive shaft. So I'm gonna take the drive shaft out. It's just 4 bolts and nuts. Actually, it looks like one sheared off. I'm gonna pretend I didn't see that. Sorry I'm shaky. I'm fucking sweating my ass off. But we're getting there. Well, I got the drive shaft off. I'm just gonna have it dangle. It was rubbing on something. It's fine. So we gotta take, I'm sorry it's blurry. It's fucking greasy as shit under here. I gotta take this out. And this is from a while ago, and it's jacked up. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Got the jack under it supporting the weight. Theoretically, it should just, yep, just drop out. If it falls, I'm not too concerned. Oh, it's held up on something. I'm gonna get under there and jiggle it, but it's coming out, so. All right. I'll be right back with the diff out. I'm just getting this diff assembled here. I'll slap it in. Hopefully it works good. I guess we'll find out. I got the new diff all assembled here. It's spinning, so I'm gonna use my old axle stubs. I got this part all hooked up, so should be all good. It's a little crusty, but I goobered on some RTV around the surface area, so should be good. Yeah, I mean, just a fucking mess. Put a hole in it, so probably some pretty bad carnage. I'm too lazy to take it apart right now. I just want this thing running and driving again, so maybe another time. So the new diff's ready. Just kind of cooling off in the garage for a little bit, even though it's hot as fuck in here. Once it's in, it's just a matter of buttoning it back up. And I mean, I'm only an hour into this, so it's going good so far. Fingers crossed. We've got some weather coming in, so I just kind of hustled up. Wasn't recording much, but diff's in, axle's in, exhaust in. Got the suspension all put back together, drive shaft's hooked up. I'm I'm just gonna drop it on the ground, put the wheels on it, and make sure it works. I did fill it with fluid, so we're good there, but yeah, went all right. It's never fun doing it by yourself, just lifting the heavy shit and getting it lined up, but it wasn't too bad. So, yeah, but I'm fucking... Did I mention it's hot? No? Yeah, it's hot. But I'm getting there. I mean, literally got to put the wheels on and it's ready. So I'm going to quit talking and do that. And then I was going to do the switch tonight, but man, it's way too fucking hot. I don't know if I mentioned, but my fans don't shut off, so I have to keep disconnecting the battery. I'm pretty sure I did. I'm hot, I'm messy, I don't want to get shit. I mean, I just put a new seat and steering wheel in here. I don't want to get my grimy hands all over it. And so I can just do that tomorrow. Shouldn't take too long. Maybe about 20 minutes. Just gotta pull the dash apart again, which isn't too bad. But I'm gonna get these wheels on, take it for a rip around the block, and make sure we're good. It's so hot, man. You know, it never gets any better doing this. Like, it gets easier because I know what I'm doing now. Like, I could do this with my eyes closed. It's just not fun, no matter how good you are at it. So let me finish this up and make sure we're all good for this weekend. It's starting to rain a little bit, but just in time to finish up. Drop this back down. This jack handle's been through it, man. All right, move the truck, get this thing out of here. Hopefully it moves. Trash. Oh, there's a bee in there. Oh, is there one in this? I have another one here. Okay. All right, I'm getting distracted. All right, I gotta get this done. Oh. Oil. What check engine light? I don't know. Tell me. Woo. It's annoying every time I want to drive. Yeah, do this song and dance. The ground it falls off, and I gotta fix that switch so I don't have to deal with that anymore. But started earlier. Hands are fucking filthy touching this new wheel. I know it's a cheap wheel, but I'd still like to keep it nice. Okay. Let it warm up for a couple seconds and see if this thing works, huh? I'm still warming up, but I'm just gonna go around the block. Roll test. Okay. We're moving. No strange noises or clunks yet. I don't want to grab the Alcantara. Well, Alcantara. Okay. Let's see. I mean, I don't know. It seems all right. No weird noises. I mean, I don't want to fucking rip on it, just in case. The exhaust is rattling a little bit, but I can fix that. I'm not gonna do any skids or anything because, well, I'm in the neighborhood and I don't know. I'm just gonna I'm parking it, driving it onto the trailer, and I'm not risking anything because it seems like when I drive on the street, I break shit, but I go to a track event and I beat the fuck out of it, and the thing's just solid as hell. So knowing that, let's just get this fucking thing home. And yeah, let's do one little rip here just for shits and gigs. Yeah, we're back. She rips. Took a couple of hours to get it done, but wasn't too bad. I'll probably end the video here, but gonna be drifting this weekend up at Brainerd at Carmageddon. It'll be my third event this summer, so I doubt it, but if anyone local's watching, come say hi. Come ride with me, ride along. Dude, there's fucking bees everywhere, bro. All right, I'm going inside. Adios.